So again, we just continue with the substitution, but this time I want to show you when we have a negative value, and you can see the negative value right there to substitute in, right? Again, a substitution is a replacement. I want A to be minus 5, so wherever I see A, I'm going to put negative 5 this time. B is equal to 3, C is equal to 2. So if I want A plus B plus C, wherever I see A, I'm going to replace it with minus 5. Wherever I see B, I'm going to replace it with 3, and wherever I see C, I'm going to replace it with 2, and I have my operations still there in between. And again, this is really why you need to know your directed numbers. This is what makes algebra difficult, in my opinion, the directed numbers. So now I have to say minus 5 plus 3 plus 2. I owe somebody $5, I pay them $3, and I'm going to pay them back $2. So minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 plus 2, so this is going to turn out to be 0. Right? Because you need to know how the directed number is going to interact. Same thing here. So this is really, when the letter is close to the numbers, it means 2 times, and the number I want to replace is minus 5 this time. Again, we have a different question to substitute this time. Plus 5 times B going to be 3. Plus, and sometimes you don't need to put the multiplication. Some people like to put it in brackets, so I'm just showing you that sometimes you could put it C2 in brackets, because brackets mean multiply anyway. So it depends on how you want to present it. So what I'm going to end up here is 2 times 5 is 10, but the positive 2 and the negative 5 really going to give me negative 10 when I do that multiplication. Same thing here. 5 times 3 is 15, just like the last piece. 3 times 2, 6, just like the earlier one we would have done up here. But now we have minus 10 plus 15 plus 6. I owe you $10 and I have 15. So after I pay you your $10, I remain with 5 for myself. So it's really 5 add 6. The overall answer going to turn out 11. But that's you needing to know, and we did a video on this already, how those directed numbers interact, how you multiply directed numbers, and how you add and subtract directed numbers. Last one, and this is the whole reason why A is minus 5 in this one, to demonstrate what's taking place in this last one here. So for this last one, B squared minus A, again we're going to replace first. So B is 3, so it's going to be 3 squared minus, but A has its own minus sign. So this minus sign here and the minus sign that coming from the A is 2 different minus signs. So we'll deal with that after. All over C, which is 2. So we go 3 squared. 3 squared going to give me 9, 3 by 3. But when two signs clash head on like this, the same sign rules going to apply. So two minus signs, when they clash head on like this, really going to give me a plus 5. So that minus 5 really going to change to plus 5 all over 2. And now I just work it out like before. 9 add 5 is 14. 14 over 2. 2 into 14. Overall answer going to be 7. And you can see the difference that the directed numbers going to make as well.